CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO here with more crypto gains. Today we are talking about POLONIEX, and just wanted to give a quick tutorial on using POLONIEX. I know a lot of you followed me on my Hit BTC tutorial, and as we go out more into this crypto space, some coins that you can get on one exchange you may not be able to get on another exchange. So we're assuming you've set up a POLONIEX account, and we're just going to kind of go over the basics of what you have in trading. So first and foremost, to get to the main trading screen, you're going to click on Exchange, and this should be the initial page that loads. From here, we have the markets over here on the right on your interface. So you have BTC markets, ETH markets, XMR markets, and USD Tether markets. So basically, whenever you're searching for a specific coin, like let's say we were looking for SIA coin. SIA coin, let's see, what is SIA? Let's go over to BitScreener real quick, and we'll pull up the SIA coin. SIA, SC. So we want to find if that coin is traded on this market. So we type in our symbol, and I type in SC for SIA, and this shows that SIA is not available as a tether swap. Remember, you're trading these coins to swap for other coins. Not in the XMR, not in the ETH. Oh, so it looks like on this exchange you can buy the SIA coin on the BTC market. So that leads us to, how do I get to so I can buy a specific coin? So after you found the market that you want to trade the coin in, you click on the coin. By clicking on this coin in this right hand corner, you've activated all of the SIA boxes. So you got your SIA chart up here. Okay, you scroll down a little bit, we have our buy, sell, and stop limit boxes. Okay. Oh, and not to forget, up here you can change the chart to be 1 month, all. So you can kind of get an idea of what a coin's been doing recently. So SIA coin was up, kind of dropped, and now it's kind of going back up again. So, and now here's an important thing. So you have your buy and sell boxes, and then you have your buy and sell orders. The buy orders are people wanting to buy the SIA coin. The sell orders are the side where people want to sell SIA. So the one caveat that I do not like about POLONIEX is the fact that they do not support market orders. So this can be frustrating on a fast moving coin. So like as you can see here on the buy orders or the sell orders, it's always shifting, okay? Now, some important things to know. How many SIA coin are being bought and what the equivalent BTC is. So this kind of gives you an idea of the trade volume. If we scroll down farther, we can see our buy and sell walls. This is your sell wall on the right. This is your buy wall on the left. So we can see that we have this crazy big buy wall right here, and then it's kind of an even offset. There's really not a sell wall ledge here. This is not looking too bad. Now we go down to the trade history. Trade history represents orders that were actually executed. So this means that they actually went through at that price, and if it was a buy or a sell. So that's the basics of the main exchange page. Now, if you own a specific coin, okay, it will show up what your balance is in your buy and sell boxes. So as you can see, it says I have 10,000 SIA coins, right? So if I wanted to sell those coins, I would put in an amount. You can autofill the amount by clicking on the amount. Okay, and it's going to tell me approximately how many BTC I'm going to receive if I hit the execute button. So just to demonstrate, let's go ahead and put this in a super high rate. We'll say 0.0000 335. Okay. And if I hit sell, it would appear down on the sell orders table. Okay. Let's make sure my decimals are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's hit sell. We're not actually going to sell it though. I put it in at a high price so I know it won't fill. Okay. Now, let's look down here. Okay, now what has magically happened is it pops up in the open orders box. Sell at this price, at this time, total amount, right? So if I go and look over here on the chart, my order was for 335. So mine was here. So it's combined with an order that already exists. Now, it must be noted, they don't indicate it with a dark bold like HitBTC does, so I don't see my order on the order table. So now, to cancel that order, if it has not executed, okay, you see it shows up in the My Trades too. All I do is go down here and hit cancel. Simple. Now my coins appeared back here. So that's basically buying and selling. So let's say we wanted to do the same thing. Let's look for Digibyte. DGB. All right, Digibyte's available on BTC. ETH, no, it's only available in the BTC market. So if I click on Digibyte, click, everything once again changes to Digibyte. Buy Digibyte, sell Digibyte. Buy, sell orders, the market depth tables, and the trades that have been executed. So that's it. It's pretty easy to buy and sell. Like I said, the big limitation of POLONIEX is you cannot do market orders, which is pretty annoying. Because when something is moving quickly, it can jump over your orders and makes it hard to, execute. Margin and lending, that's beyond the basic tutorial, so we're not going to go over that. Balances. Now, this is a little weird. Transfer balances, we're not going to really talk about that because this is whether or not you want it in your margin or lending accounts. So you're not really going to use transfer balances. I'm assuming you're just starting to use this platform, and that's not a good idea. Deposits and withdrawals. This is key. This is where you will see what your balances are of any certain coin. So you can see I have some Tether, Stellar, Sia, Digibyte, and a little Bitcoin. So if I wanted to deposit or withdraw those, I would simply hit the button and it would begin the execution process of getting rid of those coins. So we're not going to do that. Now, if you want to see all coins that there are wallets on this exchange, you simply unclick the hide zero balances and it's going to show every coin. Okay, and you also can filter for coins by clicking and typing whatever coin, like I typed in Digibyte. And finally, we have history. History shows all your history that you've had on the exchange. That's pretty, pretty forthcoming, pretty easy to remind. Profile, that's where you change your settings, turn your two-factor on, all that monkey business. Linked accounts, if you have multiple accounts on POLONIEX. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck investing on the POLONIEX exchange. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.